Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya University. Nowadays, all are talking about job crisis, but let us talk about job opportunities. That too, great job opportunities in job crisis is simple. Beat the job crisis and grab an IT job through Excel technology. Excel is having evergreen demand. For this purpose, not just learning, you must master Excel. Master Excel through our ChatGPT certified India's #1 Excel tutorial. Excel is a perfect entry point for IT careers. Excel has high demand, that to evergreen demand. For your information, 90% plus corporate jobs require Excel skills for their daily routine jobs as well as advanced tasks. That's why I strongly believe that Excel first, Excel fast, and Excel smart. For mastering Excel and all that, we are not just providing a tutorial, we are providing Ekalavya tutor ecosystem. The point is how to understand. This is India's all-in-one platform for industry-ready IT aspirants. Excel is a multi-purpose powerhouse with over 500 built-in functions. This figure as on the day. Microsoft go on adding new functions to this list. That's why this figure is not at all constant. Every time go on changing. Okay, that point you have to understand. What is a function? Every function performs a unique subtask. Actually, these functions are logic builders in Excel. That you have to understand. Otherwise, you can understand them. The brains behind Excel power is functions. That you have to understand. Now, just I will give you a simple example. By that, you can understand what is the power of a function. A simple function I am taking, that is sum. The name itself tells what it is doing. All Excel functions, names tells what they are doing. Like a carpenter, what he does. Like a plumber, what he does. Like that. Sum I have given. Now, sum means finding the total. Now I am giving two elements, 11 and 20. Then, within second, it returns the result. We have to give input, output, result will come. But don't underestimate it. It is very powerful. Now we see same sum A1, A1000. What I did? Actually, in a Excel worksheet, cells are there from A1 to A1000. 1000 values I stored and I have given it like this. This column represents A1 to A1000. Within seconds, you get the result. The sum of the 1000 elements. Not limited to 1000. You give 10,000 even. Within seconds, you get the result. That is the power of functions. They perform a subtask, unique subtask. One more example I give you. By that you can have better understanding. Now you see average. You know that what is average and all that. Now here also A1 to A1000. How many I am giving? 1000 values I am giving. It finds the total and thereafter it calculates the average and within seconds you get the average value. This is the power of Excel function. These are 500 plus functions are there as on the day. That's why you can understand Excel is a powerhouse. Even though Excel is a multi-purpose powerhouse, many people out of their ignorance, they underestimate it. They simply think Excel is meant for preparing spreadsheets, formulas, tables, calculations, etc. and all that. It is not even 1% of its capabilities and all that. Excel is highly versatile. Just I have given a figure here. At a glance, you can understand how many functionalities it is having, how highly versatile it is. There, just to see that. Data entry, data analysis, accounting, budgeting, scheduling, finance modeling, database interaction, goal tracking, decision making. 10 plus core functionality it is having. That's why 90% companies require Excel skills for their employees. Now I introduce the integrated training program, which evolves you from basic tech job to data scientist. This is a highly scalable pathway of growth. Now I give you the detail. Now I am telling Excel is a powerhouse. It is a very powerful technology and all that. 90% of corporate jobs demand Excel skills for the daily routine as well as advanced tasks. So, after completion of Excel, not completion means not in college sense, after mastering Excel, maximum it takes 2 months time for you. Then, preferably if you get a global Microsoft certification, 100% job guarantee in any corporation. It is a pure choice that I am telling you. After that, if you want to go for advanced, then next thing is you can go for Power BI. Power BI means Power Business Intelligence and all that. With Excel, we can analyze data, data oriented, many things we do. After analysis only, intelligence is required. So the next perfect complementary stage is Power BI. Once you go to Power BI, you can study it and master it with the 50% of the effort only, because Excel is the base. It will contribute whatever inputs it requires and all that. So with the 50% of the efforts, can become master over Power BI. Thereafter, if you want to advance more and all that, next step is Python with the data science and finance projects. Actually, because of the background of Excel and Power BI, with the 50% of the effort of actually needed, you can master Python with the data science and finance projects. And for all of them, SQL database is a common facility and all that. In this way, you can master all this. You yourself study on your own, and everything I am going to provide through our system. And every time you can update your knowledge, and you will be in a position to choose your job. That is our promise and all that. And this is a very good combination. Whatever may be the level of job crisis, don't worry about that. In the job crisis, you can have a better opportunities because of this integrated training program.